going to be working on our bike number 62. That's going to be a cat eye pocket bike. So far from what I could tell, we're going to be changing the carburetor, fuel lines, and the battery for this one. We're going to be painting a completely different color because the old color is kind of like a burned off gray. So we're going to be doing a nice new color for the bike. So sit back and relax, guys, and enjoy. that for today's video. We are actually going to hop on the X7 next. I really like the color on this bike, though. It was a green, neon green color. I am trying some new style paint. It's a Krylon. I usually use Rust-Oleum, so the paint came out okay. I didn't like it as much as I expected it to, but I'm having a really hard time finding my usual paints. So we'll continue to see. We'll give it another color a try and see what that looks like, and we can go from there. Either way, until next time, guys, make sure you guys stick around for my next video to drop. That's going to be a X7 pocket bike, guys. Be safe.